Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? What's going on this time? Hedera Hashgraph will get a 22% profit in last 7 days, my friend. The price will pumping up, the price will increasing. So that's really nice, my friends, to see now. Congratulations, everyone, to get a very good profit, my brother. And I hope in upcoming time the price will more pumping now. So let's see, my friends, to ready the price will pump up in upcoming time or not. For that, my friend, we will need to predicate this coin, and also, my friend, we will need to do a technical analysis. And at the end, I will also share my opinion, my friend, to this is selling time, holding time, buying time. So let's start the brand video. Please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Don't forget to like video. All right, so this time, as you can see here, we will need my friends to check out the last 1 month chart, because the last 1 month chart is very important, my brother, for prediction. So as you can see here, this time, my friend, in last 1 month they were very badly phased down, but after that, my friend, you can see here they will completely moving upwards. So that's clear, my friend. You can see here after a very long time they will take a jump, but absolutely they will take a must jump now. So therefore, my friend, we will lean now to, if they were phased down, so this is does not mean to this coin will never get up and they will completely go in the garbage. Absolutely we will need, my friends, to hold now. I hope after a short time they will completely go in the moon now. So therefore I will try my best, my brothers, to please you will hold now and you will agree, but please don't starting selling. If you are starting selling, so the price will fall down, because my prediction is 100% going positive. I hope in upcoming time the price will more increase now. So therefore I will notify you to please don't do anything. Please hold now. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.